So, what is Blue Sky app? There are many articles right now in the media, and this app is already in the top charts. Actually, in the social networking category in US App Store. It's not available on Google Play on Android, unfortunately, so only iOS. And a lot of people just like wondering what is that. So this is an app by Jack Dorsey. Who is a Twitter co-founder, and he aims to create a new decentralized Twitter alternative, which should be a protocol, not a company. So this is like an attempt to do it, but the app is already in the App Store, but unfortunately it's still in private beta, meaning that only like handful of people with invite codes can access it. Probably they just released like to few people and gave access to some journalists, some media, and all of that. So let's just go through ideas so you can understand better what that is. This app just hit the App Store. So the team behind the project, the Blue Sky team, originally was part of Twitter, and Twitter founded it. And then now they're like a separate company. They're not in Twitter anymore. And they are, what I understand, they have been building this protocol, which is a kind of a backend for this app. So it's quite different to what Twitter is. So Twitter is like a normal centralized company similar to Facebook or Instagram. But Blue Sky seems to develop its own protocol, which will be decentralized, and it's kind of like a decentralized database for all your content, all your followers, all your posts, and all of that. So this kind of is the idea of the future of social media, similar as you have with Damus app, which is also, you can find it in the App Store. And these apps are now just like an interface for like decentralized protocols. So with this app, you can just go create your account, see some post, anything, but then you just get access to, in this case, Nostr protocol, where you have different servers. And the point of all of it is that it's super hard will be to ban content, to remove your from social media, to ban you. And the ultimate idea is that in future, if you have some followers on Blue Sky app, for example, you can just take your followers with you and go to another app, because all of that is decentralized and you can't be easily banned. Nobody can, if you have 2 million followers, nobody can just easily remove you from that media. Now the point is that all these companies are trying to build their own protocols, and Blue Sky has built AT protocol, Authenticated Transfer Protocol, is Blue Sky's main effort, while the Blue Sky mobile app serves to showcase the protocol in action. And Mastodon, another decentralized Twitter alternative, has built ActivityPub protocol. There is some criticism of the project because ActivityPub is a recommended V3C standard protocol these days, which already powers a large and growing fediverse of interconnected servers. A lot of apps trying to switch to that protocol, but Blue Sky is building their own. So there is some kind of a battle going on there. And you can read a lot in media that Jack Dorsey wanted a new Twitter to be a protocol, not a company. Here you can just go to the app. You can actually download it. It's already in the US App Store. It's already in the top charts. However, if you just download it, there's nothing there. A lot of people want to, you just need to have this invite code. I have no idea where to get it. Seems it's quite limited. Not a lot of people can get it, and all of that. But seems the app is already in the App Store. Maybe they just try to get more hype and all of that. but as you can see, I'm just opening the app. I can create new account. I need invite code, so I can't do anything more than that. I can select some server provider. Maybe there is some version where you can thrive on local dev server or something like that. Then you just enter your email address, your password, and then you can reserve your username. So a lot of people are now looking for these invite codes specifically for that you can reserve your like first name handle or some really rare username. And in case this app blows up, takes off in future, you will have some really amazing username. But yeah, it's still quite hard to get there, and we don't know if this app will blow up or not. So at the moment, it's just released in the App Store, and maybe some like few thousand beta testers are going through it. And inside of the app, this is just like this is how it looks like. It's very minimalistic version of Twitter. You just have content and tweet comments, retweet, likes. So yeah, that's what it is. It's very similar to, I guess, Damus app, which also you can try out. I think that will be quite a similar experience, where you can also just see like very Twitter-like experience. And a lot of people just gonna ask like, what's the point of all of it? Yeah, so exactly the point is that you have different backends. So these apps are just like an interface for protocol, and the whole new like technology shift is that it's all the content, it's not stored in some centralized database which is controlled by Twitter, and anyone in Twitter can either remove you or ban you easily. But your content in this new BLUESKY app, the Damus apps, is just stored in decentralized protocol, which can be like Fediverse, can be contained in like dozens, hundreds of servers. I'm like newbie to it as well. I'm just learning with you guys. And like, if you are banned on one server in this backend, you can move to another, and then you can move to another, and then it will be really hard to actually ban you easily or remove your content or anything. And you can move your followers from one server to another, and that is just like a kind of like multiverse of all these servers, where the stuff is like really decentralized. So yeah, that's basically the idea. On the front end, on the interface, it looks the same as Twitter, maybe even worse. Like, it's much less functional in the beginning. So yeah, so that's basically the idea. There is already some battle going on between Mastodon and BLUESKY and all of that. You can also go through their BLUESKY website, blueskyweb.org. You can read in more detail what is AT protocol, what is that. AT protocol is a new federated social network. It integrates ideas from the latest decentralized technologies into a simple, fast, and open network. What's federated network? It's a way for servers to communicate with each other like email. Instead of one site running the network, you can have many sites. It means you get a choice of provider, and individuals and businesses can self-host if they want. You can have account portability. A person's online identity should not be owned by corporations. With the IT protocol, you can move your account from one provider to another without losing any of your data or social graph. Algorithmic choice. AT protocol includes an open algorithm interoperation. The world needs a diverse market of connected services to ensure healthy competition performance. So yeah, up now there is atproto.com. So you can go also to this website, and then you can join the waitlist. So seems like very simple website built with Tailwind or something like that. And then if I want to join the waitlist, still I'm being just redirected to the app, and I need to enter the invite code. So yeah, that's what it is at the moment. Um, that's the idea of all of it. Of course, it's much deeper. It's just like a preview for you. By the way, they're hiring as well. Um, and yeah, so that's the idea here. You can join, but if I try to join and sign up for the whitelist here, I'm being redirected um, to the app. So nothing's happening. So I can't get on the whitelist here and get the invitation code, fortunately. So yeah, that's what it is. So you have a better understanding, maybe a bit more of Blue Sky Social, why it's hitting the top charts. Maybe they will open it up a bit more. But yeah, Damus app, which is one of the alternatives in this space, was also trending in charts, but then it just actually disappeared. A lot of people don't yet understand, me included, like the full benefits of, you have the same app as Twitter. It looks even much worse than Twitter. It has much less functionality. And yeah, it's just the one difference is that it has all this different backend and decentralized protocol. So unless you live in like very censored society or something like that, then it doesn't immediately bring a lot of benefits. But of course, if you're have some situations like some politicians feeds or something like that, and you need to be 100% sure that you can't be censored or anything like that, then it can make a lot of sense instantly, and then it really can provide like absolute freedom of speech and all of that. So this is like the first steps in this direction. Maybe it will be a much bigger evolution in this point. So let's just follow it. Yeah, let's hope they will open it up to more people soon. And thanks for watching.